Hi guys, in this lecture we will see how to integrate our project with GitHub. Just go to Windows and Katalon Studio Preferences. Go to Windows, Katalon Studio Preferences. Here under Katalon click on Git and check Enable Git Integration and click on Apply and OK. Now you will see this Git icon is enabled. There, click on Clone Project. Here, paste the repository URL. This is the repository. This one is a public repository I have created in GitHub. We are going to use. I am just copying this URL and pasting it here. And here I am providing my user details and password, and then I click next. And I click finish. Now it will clone everything from the GitHub. Now we will see how to commit our project in GitHub. Click this and click commit option. Select all these unstaged changes and move the to stacked changes and provide a commit message. And click on commit and push. Here you can select branch and this is the remote origin and click on next. Verify the details and click finish. Now you will see a message pushed to this particular repository. Click OK. Now we go to our repository and refresh it. Here in our repository we can see our REST API Catalan project is published. If you make any changes, you can go to this GitHub drop down and click on push and update that in your GitHub repository. This is how we will create and commit our project with GitHub.